Our topic for today is all about geography. What is geography? It's concerned with the study of Earth's surface, including people's responses to topography, climate, soil, vegetation, distribution, and interaction of different phenomena on Earth. Geography comes from the Greek word of geo, means earth. Graphy means to write or to draw. So geography literally means earth description, a science of space and place. Example of geography: people, climate, farms, roads, shopping center, and schools. Geography also has two elements. What are they? It is a physical or natural element. Second, it is a cultural or human element. Here are the examples of physical or natural elements. First is weather and climate. Second is landforms. You can see the highlands, the lowlands, and of course the continents and islands. Next is water forms. In the water forms, you can see the oceans and seas, and also the waters of the land. And the next one is plant and animals. And of course, our natural resources. And yes, we can move to cultural or human elements. In a cultural and human elements, there are man, of course, your population, culture, and cultural institution. After a man, we also have works of man. Example, settlements. Next is economics or ways of life. And of course, our roads of transportation and our communication. We have two scholars who studied the ancient Greek made the first step in geography. First, Herodotus. He was the father of history. And the second scholar is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes was the first person to use the word geography, and he was invented the system of latitude and longitude. Of course, we will show you the other Greeks who studied geography. First, Hipparchus, a concept of meridians. Second, Thales of Malthus. Third, Anaximander, who says the world is a shape like a cylinder. Number 4 is Aristotle. He says that Earth was sphere. Next is Strabo. And the last one is Ptolemy. And we have here the persons behind the 7th and 8th age of geography. First, Bernhard Varanus, who wrote the Geographica Generalis. Number 2 is Immanuel Kant. He was a German philosopher who provided the philosophical underpinnings of geography. He justified its place among sciences. Number 3 is Alexander von Humboldt and Karl Ritter. This started the where and why approach in geography. Number 4 is Friedrich Ratzel and Alan Churchill. They believed that geography was a study of the influences of natural environment on people. Ratzel was widely recognized as the father of human geography. Number 5 is Ellsworth Huntington, an early American geographer. He argued that the climate was a major determinant of civilization. Number 6 is Paul Vidal de la Blache and Brunes. They developed what is known as regional geography approach, sometimes they called cultural language. Number 7 is Karl Sauer and Robert Platt. They developed the regional geography approach developed by Blache and Brunes. Here are the main branches of geography. First is regional geography. Second, topical geography. Third, physical geography. When you say regional geography, it is a branch of geography that studies the world's regions. Number 2 is topical geography. When you say topical geography, it concentrates on the study of one Earth feature or human activity as it occurs throughout the world. And the last one is physical geography. What is physical geography? It is the branch of geography concerned with natural features and phenomena of the Earth's surface as landforms, drainage features, climates, soils, and vegetations. We have 9 subdivisions of physical geography. First, geomorphology. Second, climatology. Third, mathematical geography. Fourth, oceanography. Fifth, biogeography. Sixth, medical geography. 7, pedogenesis, hydrology, and meteorology. When you say geomorphology, it studies the land and water forms. For example, river floodplains, underground caves, shorelines, coral reefs, sand dunes, volcanic features, and the erosion cycle. Number 2 is climatology. When you say climatology, it studies the differences and similarities in the climate from place to place. For example, cloud formation and temperature changes. Number 3 is mathematical geography. It is a branch of geography that deals with the figure and motions of the Earth, its seasons and tides, its measurements, and its representation on maps and charts by various methods of projection. For example, latitude and longitude of the Earth. Number 4 is oceanography. Oceanography is a branch of science that deals with the physical and biological properties and phenomena of the sea. For example, current wave activity and tides. Number 5 is biogeography. It is the study of geographic distribution of plants, animals, and other forms of life. For example, plants and animals. Number 6 is medical geography. It is concerned with the analysis of spatial patterns of disease and healthcare provision. For example, of course, the diseases. Number 7 is pedogenesis. It is the formation and development of soil. So here are the examples. Number 8 is hydrology. Hydrology is a branch of science concerned with the properties of the Earth's water and especially its movement in relation to land. Here are the examples: oceans, rivers, glaciers, snowfields, and groundwater. And the last is meteorology. It is the branch of science concerned with the processes and phenomena of the atmosphere, especially as the means of forecasting the weather. Here are the examples. Of course, if we have subdivision of physical geography, we also have subdivision of human geography, or another name for this division is anthropology. First is cultural geography, population, political, historical, economic, urban, and behavioral geography. That's all. Thank you for watching. God bless.